Welcome to Alley Picked. I'm coming to you from a rather, unusual location. I'm in the basement bathroom of my church where I'm helping to remodel. I just installed this ceramic tile floor. But then I noticed, people need a place to hang their jackets. And I wanted to come up with something special and appropriate for church, yet still have a certain, Alley Picked style. Here's what I came up with. The inspiration for this idea comes from a couple of Google images I found when I searched for rustic coat rack. So my church coat rack will be a combination of these two. Instead of using traditional coat hooks, I found these really cool bent spike hooks from Hobby Lobby. I snagged them for $2 a piece after a 50% off sale. I drew up a little sketch. I don't need specific, exact measurements because the coat rack sign can vary according to your preference. I printed these letters so that they'd fit nicely onto the rectangular blocks of wood I cut. I transfer the image onto the wood using graphite paper. This piece of graphite paper has seen better days. It's pretty well used. The image is barely visible, so before I start to carve, I'm going to need to darken in the lines. Before I use my router with a carving bit, I thought it was a good idea to outline the letters with my carving knife. You can use just about any knife or blade for this. The reason for this is that it helps me get a nice, crisp, sharp line when I'm cutting the letters with the router. It's sort of like outlining a picture in a coloring book.
What's up, Doc?
I start off using this tapered bit to outline the letters. Now I'll use a smaller, flat on the bottom bit to clean up all the in-between stuff. The inside of the letters are clean and flat. A little bit rough, but for barnwood, this will be perfect. This is exactly what I envisioned when I wanted something appropriate for the church. It's a reminder of our faith, and the railroad nails are symbolic of those used on the cross of Christ. Thanks for watching Alley Picked, where I love making cool things out of junk.